Is the future of medicine already upon us? Can the combination of artificial intelligence and healthcare change the way we diagnose and treat diseases? These are questions that are becoming increasingly relevant in our time. As we speak, the world of medicine is undergoing a transformation. Traditional methods and practices are being challenged by the emergence of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, or AI as it's commonly called, is starting to make significant waves in the field of healthcare. It's not just about robots performing surgeries, it's about data analysis, predictive modeling, and personalized care. The potential benefits are immense. Imagine a world where doctors have at their fingertips a tool that increases diagnostic accuracy, improves efficiency, and makes healthcare more accessible to all. This isn't a distant future, it's happening now. The intersection of AI and healthcare may just be the medical revolution we've been waiting for. How is AI already redefining the medical landscape? Let's delve into some real-world examples. First off, let's explore how AI is making a significant impact in the field of oncology, specifically in the early detection of cancer. The traditional method of identifying cancerous cells involves intensive labor, expertise, and unfortunately room for human error. However, with the advent of AI, this process has seen a revolutionary change. AI algorithms, trained on millions of images of cancerous and non-cancerous cells, are now capable of identifying cancerous cells with an astounding accuracy. These algorithms, working tirelessly, have surpassed the accuracy of even the most experienced pathologists. This early detection not only saves lives but also reduces the cost and trauma of extensive treatment. Now moving on to our second case study, let's discuss how AI is utilized in intensive care units or ICUs. In these high-pressure environments, doctors often deal with a deluge of patient data, from heart rates and blood pressure to oxygen levels. Making sense of this data and predicting patient outcomes is a Herculean task. Enter AI. Sophisticated AI systems are now being used to process this data in real time, identify patterns, and predict patient outcomes. These predictions enable doctors to make timely, life-saving decisions. A study conducted in 2023 showed that AI systems could predict patient outcomes in ICUs with a staggering 80% accuracy, a feat impossible for humans. In both these cases, AI has not replaced doctors but has become an invaluable tool in their arsenal, aiding them in diagnosis and decision-making. It's important to note that the goal of AI in medicine is not to replace the human touch, but to augment it. These cases are just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to AI's potential in healthcare. What does the future hold for AI in medicine? The possibilities may be more exciting than you think. As we move forward, imagine a world where AI personalizes treatment plans for patients. Instead of a one-size-fits-all approach, each individual could receive a unique plan tailored to their specific health needs and genetic makeup. But it doesn't stop there. AI could also take over routine tasks, freeing up healthcare professionals to focus on more complex cases and enabling them to provide more personalized care. And let's not forget about data. With AI's ability to mine medical records, we could gain unprecedented insights into diseases and treatments. This could lead to breakthroughs that we can't even begin to imagine today. However, these advancements are not without their challenges. Ethical considerations around data privacy and the role of AI in decision-making will need to be addressed. With AI, the future of medicine looks promising yet complex. What are the key points to remember from our exploration of AI in medicine today? In our journey today, we've seen how artificial intelligence is reshaping the medical field. From improving patient outcomes to streamlining healthcare delivery, AI is proving to be a game changer. We've delved into case studies that showed us the real-world applications of AI, from early disease detection to personalized treatment plans. We've also peered into the future of AI in medicine, with possibilities of AI-powered robots performing complex surgeries to AI systems predicting health risks even before they materialize. The future is indeed exciting. But it's not without its challenges. We need to address ethical concerns, data privacy issues, and ensure the technology is accessible to all. So, as we wrap up, let's remember the immense potential of AI in transforming healthcare, the real-world benefits we're already seeing, and the future that's brimming with possibilities. As we stand at the crossroads of AI and medicine, we can't wait to see what the future brings.